Welcome people, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys what I do to basically prep my car for vinyl wrap. So the only thing that I'm going to be wrapping today is my roof here, and I'm going to do it in gloss black. I've already removed the antenna here. To see how to remove this, I'm gonna have it in the description below. It's gonna be in my previous video or somewhere right here. Alright, so what I'm gonna be using today, I've already washed the car, so I'm not doing that again. With all water, because I'm gonna be wiping the roof clean first. Then I'm gonna do, I bought this clay kit here from Mother's, or from one of those auto stores, and it's the Mother's brand. It comes with 2 clay bars. I'm going to be breaking one in half so I have more to go around. I'm going to be clay bar in the car. It comes with a detailer as well. Whoa, windy today. And when I'm done, I'm going to be using isopropyl alcohol to clean it again. Or matter of fact, before I even do the isopropyl, I'm going to put it in the garage. Then I'm going to do the isopropyl alcohol, wipe it clean, and I have a makeshift stand here. I'm gonna be using the gloss black to get the car wrapped. So stay tuned guys, it's gonna be fun. I've already started removing these trimmings there. This is basically some clips, and you just simply work your way with a tool, prying tool, and just pry them out. So I'm gonna start on this side here. So make sure you get inside here, not here. You don't want to break this little rubber here. Start here and basically just start prying it up, and it will just come up like that. See that? Just take your time and work your way, and it's as easy as that. Once you work your way all the way down, this will just lift up and you've got this piece off. So the reason why we're taking this off is we want to clean inside there. See all the dirt, all that gunk? You don't want all that gunk blowing up. So now that it's clean, here you go. Excuse the wind guys. So it's all nice and well clean now. So now I'm going to be using the clay bar to clay bar the top of the roof to get out all the everything that's stuck on. You can't here you go. You can probably tell, probably not, but there's a blemish right there. Look at that shit. Yeah, so we're going to be clay barring the entire roof here, to all the tree sap, all the stains. So right now when you rub your hand, or I rub my hand, it's a little rough. Clay bar should get rid of that, should get it all nice and smooth. So I bought this brand here, Mother's brand clay kit. Comes with 2 clay bars. I'm going to be breaking one in half so I have enough to spare. So going over the roof, then when I'm done, I'm going to back it in the garage, use some isopropyl alcohol, clean it again, then start the wrapping. So here is the half of the clay bar, and you simply just go ahead and spray the detailer on nice and even, and then you just simply just do small areas at a time. You want to do side to side, not circular. Side to side, like that. And then you use a nice clean cloth to clean the area that you just I guess clay barred. So this is all you do, and once you feel a little bit of friction, you just spray some more detailer, and that's it. Once you are done clay barring, you're gonna fold this over, you know, because you don't want to use a dirty piece, and then you just spread it out again and you start the other side and for the other part, and that's it. I cannot be the only one that was maybe a bit skeptical of clay bar. Let me tell you, instant difference. Shit, smooth. Shit, smooth. Instantly I feel a difference. So this is what you want to put the vinyl on. Nice, clean, smooth surface. Alright guys, so the roof's all done. One thing to remember, that when you're using the detailer along with the clay bar, that when you're done with one side like so, you make sure you fold it in and try to find a nice clean surface to work with. The aim of this is, you don't, once you take the contaminants out of the paint, you don't want to use the same dirty piece to start on another side. You're just going to be putting that contaminants back in the paint. So you want to fold it, or, you know, in Jamaica we say you need the flour, so you need it in zine. Anyway, so yeah, you need it, and then you fold it in on itself. Yeah, fold it in on itself, stretch it out again, spray some detailer, start on the next side. That's it. So now I'm going to put it in the garage, and I'm going to get the isopropyl alcohol and use a brand new clean cloth and start wiping the top off one more time. Then we go ahead and measure the roof and start laying our vinyl, our glass vinyl shit, you know what I want to say, or vinyl wrap, gloss black color. So we got our gloss black right here, and the color that I'm going to be doing it in is in this box right here. That's a surprise, you gotta stay tuned for that one. It's gonna be sick. Alright guys, so the roof is nice and clean. I just used the isopropyl alcohol along with a new clean cloth and cleaned it off completely. And I have a brush here that I use just to get you know, any tiny pieces of lint off. And this seems to work well. They say this is horsehair. I don't know about that, but yeah, whatever. And I picked this wrapping kit, or beginner's kit, off Amazon. I might put a link in the description below, just check there. Comes with 2 magnets, as you know. This is a one-man job right now. I'm the only one that's going to be doing this. Pretty strong. Whoa. Yeah, so, and it comes with all the utilities that different utility knives and vinyl wrap stuff that you need, you know. And comes with 2 of these. This is what I'll be using to glass the vinyl wrap on, and then we go from there. Alright, so I got my tape measure out, and I measured how much wrapping paper or vinyl wrap that I'll be needing. I got 42 across and 62 here, and this is me putting in a little bit for a little extra, you know, just in case I'm a little bit off on the measurement. But 62, 42 is where it's at. So right now I'm gonna go measure out over there my vinyl wrap 62 inches and cut it, lay it on. Alright guys, I apologize, different day. So I completed wrapping the roof of the car. There you go. I had some difficulties right here with the sunroof, so I basically made a cut here. It's not the neatest in the world, but it's black and it doesn't really show, and I had to do the same over that side right there as well, just to get this piece to lay nice and neat. But it's all done. Like I said, the video is just about how to basically prep for wrap. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, give a like, thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and just go out there, have a good day, be safe, peace.